How to install Samsung Messages on Galaxy device. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can install Samsung Messages on Galaxy device. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to install Samsung Messages on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra, it's rather quite simple. Now, to install Samsung Messages, normally the app is pre-installed on most of the Samsung devices if it didn't come with Google Messages. But you can actually just choose to go ahead and then reinstall it again if it's not there. Now for that, what you have to do is open up your Galaxy Store. Once you open up your Galaxy Store, this is the interface you will see. Tap the search icon located at the top right hand side and simply go ahead and then type in Samsung Messages. So go ahead and type in Samsung and type in Messages, and then you'll find the Samsung Messages app there. And if you've disabled it, you'll find the option to enable it, but you can also go ahead and then open up your Samsung Messages app just like that. And to be able to use it, you have to set it as your default Messages app. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.